Today we're going to do a descending C scale. This is a continuation of the first video I had done. And if you haven't learned how to play a C scale yet, you might want to go check out that other video because we're going to pick up where we left off at. Okay? Now on the other video, I have recommended that you work your way back on the C scales, starting right here. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Today you're going to continue up here. B, A, G, A, B, C. So did you see how I did that, you guys? We worked from the bottom, we went up, we descended all the way up to the G note, and then worked our way back to C. And that's what this video is going to focus on for now. So let's do it again. Oh no, let's just review what I did. So after you return to C, you finished your scale, you descended starting from here, ended up on C. Then we're going to continue to our top string now. This is going to be the B note at the 4th fret, and use your 3rd finger. B, right there. Notice that your index finger is already ready to lay down on the A note. The A note is right here on the 2nd fret, on the 4th string. So we went B, A. Now open up the string for G. Then come back to A. Go to B. And finish on C. The 3rd string open. Got it? Let's do the whole thing together. Here we go. And C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, A, B, C. Okay, so practice that, and the next video is going to take us from here up to the 5th fret to find a C scale there. Okay, have fun guys. Bye.